I'm going to do an imaging. You ready? Whoosh. Megan set the challenge of filming outside, which I still haven't completed. I will do it one day though. So that's my challenge, just do an imaging. You just have to whoosh instead of saying hello. It's an easy challenge, but it's still a challenge. So this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is... forgot what it is. This week's theme on YouTube Sisters is top 3 products. Now, when we say products, it can be anything, really. It could be top 3 lipsticks, top 3 beauty products, top 3 cushions, if you know, whatever floats your boat. I'm going to be doing top 3 apps. Now, when I say top 3 apps, I mean current top 3 apps. If you'd like to see kind of more old favourites, I still do love those, but I'm not going to be talking about them today, because I did a video on my main channel called Top 10 Apps, and or something like that, and there were more old favourites on there. So I'll link that video below. You don't have to watch it if you don't want to, but just in case you're interested. So now moving on to my current top 3 apps. So the first one is called KingHunt. It's like this. It's basically a better version of Fruit Ninja. I don't really like Fruit Ninja because it's quite repetitive. This, however, is very, very good. It has different levels. Let me turn it down. It has different levels, so you know, it's always something different, and the graphics are incredible. I will quickly do a level that I've already done, just to show you. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this like this, but we'll try. So basically you just slice things. It gets more difficult and you get lots kind of popping up and things, and then there's a boss stage at the end. I don't know why I went on this one, because it's the longest one, it's a tutorial. But as you can see, you can do multiple at once. And there's lots of different things to chop. Instead of just fruit, there's also pies and cakes and enemies and corn, apparently. Enemies can attack you, so you have to get them really quickly, because you have 3 hearts here. But you don't lose a life if you miss one. So yeah, that's enough of that. But I really like that game, KingHunt. By the way, all these apps are free that I'm going to show you. The next one is HayDay. You've probably seen this before because they like to put lots of advertisements on apps, which is quite annoying, but I caved and I got it just because it looked really cute. I thought it was going to be one of those farm games where you have to just like get help from your friends and there's going to be some sort of catch on everything, but actually this is not like that at all. This is just a really cute farm game. It's not very, you know, there's not much like difference. You get new stuff when you level up and things, so it's not that eventful, but I just think it's really cute. I go in it every day and like check on my cows and my chickens and my pigs, and you can like harvest crops and stuff. I'm on level 12 and you get to deliver things to places because you can make like butter and popcorn and pancakes and eggs and bacon and sugary stuff and all that. So it's really nice. It's a really cute little game. And the final app I'm going to show you, you may have heard of, well, you may have heard of the other two too. It is QuizUp. There we go, QuizUp. I absolutely love this game now. It is so awesome. Basically, you can add people to your friends list. I don't know if you can play on your own. Actually, you can play on your own, but it's kind of not on your own. It's with people you don't know. You just click, say, oh, there's Frozen, that's awesome. So you click on, you can choose from loads and loads of like categories that you want to quiz on. There's, what do we have? Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, mine freezes a lot. Adventure Time, American Horror Story, they're just some like TV shows. Come on. Mine tends to freeze a lot. There's Frozen, Disney, Chocolate, Riddles, World News, Name the Candy, there's a lot of different categories, and what you can do is you can challenge either random people or your friends to certain categories, and it's like a quiz, and you can see who wins, and you can keep challenging each other. It's really, really fun. A couple of the YouTube sister girls have it as well, and I play them sometimes, not very often though. I like to play my friends as well, and it's just a really, really fun game. So I definitely recommend you get that. After this video, I'm definitely doing Frozen because, yeah, I'm definitely giving that one a go. But those were my top 3 apps. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to YouTube Sisters. I think we're past 70 now, which is awesome, so thank you. I'm sure everyone else is pleased as well. Stick around, you know, for tomorrow and all the rest of the days, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.